Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Maintaining a koi pond that stays healthy and beautiful year-round can be challenging, especially if you live in an area that experiences all four seasons. But with a few key tips and tricks, you can ensure your koi thrive and your pond stays gorgeous no matter the weather. Let's dive in. Tip number 1. Spring cleaning. As the temperature rises, your pond starts waking up from its winter dormancy. Now's the time to do a thorough cleaning. Remove any debris that may have accumulated over winter, such as leaves or decaying organic matter, which can lead to poor water quality. It's also a good time to check your pond's filtration system and make sure it's running smoothly. A quick water test to check pH and ammonia levels is essential as well, since the shift in temperatures can affect water chemistry. Tip number 2. Maintain ideal water quality in summer. During the summer, your koi are most active, and so is your pond's ecosystem. Regularly check the water temperature. Koi prefer temperatures between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit or 18 and 24 degrees Celsius. So if your pond gets too warm, consider adding aeration or even a shade structure to help regulate the water temperature. Feeding koi in the summer can be fun, but don't overdo it. Overfeeding leads to excess waste, which can create an imbalance in your pond's water quality. Tip number 3. Prepare for fall. As the leaves start to fall, it's crucial to prevent them from clogging up your pond. Installing a net over your pond during this season can save you a lot of maintenance time and help maintain water quality. The cooler temperatures also mean it's time to start reducing how much you feed your koi, as their metabolism slows down. Also, consider adding cold water bacteria to help break down organic material in the pond as the water cools. Tip number 4. Winter care. In winter, your pond goes into hibernation mode, just like your koi. As temperatures drop below 50 degrees Fahrenheit or 10 degrees Celsius, your koi will stop eating, and it's important not to feed them during this time. To keep the pond healthy, ensure a hole is kept in the ice to allow for gas exchange. Using a pond heater can help prevent the pond from freezing over completely. If your winters are particularly harsh, adding an aerator below the ice layer can also help oxygenate the water without disturbing your koi. Tip number 5. Year-round filtration and maintenance. A good filtration system is the heart of a healthy koi pond. Make sure to keep your filters clean throughout the year and consider installing a UV clarifier to help prevent algae growth during warmer months. A bog filter is an extremely effective way to help ensure crystal clear water year-round. I'll provide a link to a separate video that shows you how to build a relatively inexpensive bog filter for your koi pond. Remember, small, regular maintenance tasks are the key to avoiding major issues. By taking care of your pond in each season, you ensure that it stays a peaceful, healthy, and beautiful environment for your koi to thrive in. So no matter the season, your koi pond can be a stunning focal point for your garden. A little bit of care and attention in each season goes a long way to keeping your pond crystal clear and your koi happy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notifications bell for more tips on keeping your koi pond at its best year-round.